We are getting ready for my drag wig styling workshop on July 20th and 21st, and I'm using some Giovanni products. So this is the Mousse Air Turbocharged Hairstyling Foam. I love equal distribution, and then I'm just going to use a little bit of tension here to wrap these rollers onto this wig, getting it ready for a little style. Pin it up. We're going to pop it underneath the hooded dryer so it can dry. And immediately upon taking these rollers out, you can see how shiny the hair is and the style retention from this set. I'm also going to use the bamboo paddle brush. Now, this brush is awesome because it helps to just aerate the hair and brush through. I also love the powder power dry shampoo. This stuff is awesome. You do a little squirt at the root and it lets you back comb and it just locks that hair in place. Dragon Giovanni, two of my favorite things, and they work so well together.